Extensive livestock farming represents the most refined expression of sustainability that humankind has achieved. An essential activity that not only ensures active and wise stewardship of the land, but also allows for the production of quality food, while respecting the rhythms of the environment. But beyond the product, extensive grazing reflects an ancestral coexistence between human hands, the landscape, and its inhabitants. Where sheep graze, and the soil is gently pressed and regenerates after the flock's passage, a small ecological miracle takes place. In that setting of grass and wool, a white figure appears, almost imperceptible at first. It walks with short, elegant steps, and moves among the legs of the animals with surprising familiarity, as if it had always belonged to the flock. This is the cattle egret, Bubulcus ibis. A bird that, though native to warmer climates, has spread across Europe by following in the footsteps of livestock. Its story is one of opportunity. A journey that began in African wetlands, and continued through the valleys and meadows of the Iberian Peninsula. By walking alongside the sheep, the egret finds a steady source of food in form of insects that are startled by the herd, larvae unearthed by hoofs and parasites clinging to wool. A relation between species that orthodox biology would classify as a commensal relationship. An interaction between two species, where one benefits, and the other is neither harmed, nor helped. But if nature has taught us anything, it's that definitions often fall short of its complexity. I mean, who would have ever thought egrets would end up surfing on sheep?
What?!
From a perfect example of commensalism, to a beautifully blurry case of symbiosis, where sheep and egrets seem to care for one another in a fragile balance, not out of the need to dominate or survive, but to adapt and coexist, in a world where every definition proves to be a bit too short.